Everyone is obsessed with the Barbie movie right now, so let's do a Barbie everyday lip look. This is the Barbiest lip color you will ever see. This is Unicorn Gang Shop Millennial Magenta. I have a code for THEMIRRORBEAUTY that gives you 5% off. Let's just apply it on the outer part of the lips. Draw a contour and don't forget the corners. And this is their old packaging, by the way. The new one looks something like this. I just have it in another color. Now paint the corners of the lips a bit more and then blend it with the same sponge where you have little product left. This next lipstick says Barbie Babe right here, so we have to use it. This is from Chaotic Cosmetics, for which I also have a code THEMIRRORBEAUTY. However, that one is not affiliated, unlike the Unicorn Gang Shop, but you still get a nice discount. Oh, and it is so hot pink. It's pretty much neon. Apply it to the rest of the lips, and these two will be easy to blend because they are really similar colors. The Barbiest color combo ever, but we're not done yet. We know Barbie likes glitter, so you're going to put a glitter bullet lipstick or a lip gloss over that lip combo that you've just created. Oh my goodness, tag someone who loves pink and someone who loves Barbies. Don't we look alike? I feel we really do.